Hello, beautiful people. Welcome to Bliss Pass. Today's episode of Journey to Renewal is about something most of us face every day or have faced in the past. Today's story is about Munshi Premchand, a great writer, and we are going to understand the lesson of fair play, fair work with the help of this story. So let's begin. As you all know, Munshi Premchand is one of India's greatest writers. He is known for his novels and short stories that focused on social issues. He faced severe financial hardships throughout his career. His writing was not only his passion but also his way of contributing to the society by shedding light on the plight of the poor, caste discrimination, and the injustice of colonial rule. Despite being widely regarded for his literary talent, Premchand struggled to make a living from his writing alone. He had to take on jobs that consumed much of his time and energy, yet did not offer fair pay, which happens to most of us. At multiple times, he found himself working beyond what he was compensated for, both in his job and writing for publishers who undervalued his work. Eventually, what happens we all know in such scenarios. The same thing happened with him. The relentless workload and lack of proper remuneration left him physically and mentally exhausted. But he felt compelled to push himself due to his sense of responsibility, also for his unshakable desire to fulfill his vision and dreams. Soon Premchand realized that continuously overworking without fair compensation was unsustainable. He began to focus more on protecting his well being, choosing projects and jobs that respected his times and efforts. He also advocated for writers to be fairly compensated, understanding that without fair pay, even the most passionate person can burn out or feel exploited. Well, this Munshi Premchand's story perfectly illustrates the importance of fair compensation for the work we do, particularly when it is a matter of earning one's livelihood. His experience actually teaches us that while it is noble to pursue a higher purpose or passion, one must not overextend or overwork beyond what is reasonably compensated. As you all know, and you have already experienced, I believe, working long hours or taking on excessive responsibilities without fair pay can diminish both personal well being and respect for the job. Premchand's journey reminds us that a balance between fair work and fair pay is essential to preserving our passion, maintaining our dignity, and sustaining our careers in the long run. And trust me, if you continuously work more and more for less money, for a long period especially, there is not going to be any respect for you, for your work, and for the job you do. Eventually, you will realize that what you are doing is wrong. And if you are living in the dilemma or in your dream world that someday someone or your employer will realize that this person is doing a lot of work, let me just raise his pay scale or anything, but it's not going to happen. It happens in very rare cases. Have I said very and rare? That's a bad combination. I meant to say rare cases. So never work for more than what you are paid for. And let's apply this principle of fair work and fair play in our lives instead of getting trapped in this rat race. Don't forget to start it today, but with the strategy and planning. Just don't go and ask your boss today, I want some incentive. I read this article and I want some incentive. I'm not doing a fair play and fair work. Just don't do that, okay? First make a strategy and then go for it definitely. Until next time, take care and aim higher.